What's happening, bro? So today we're gonna be riding horses today. Me and my friend. I'm borrowing my friend's pony because my daddy said I can't ride horses. It's too muddy. It just rained. It just rained from yesterday all night almost. And so yeah. So today we're gonna be riding horses. Hope y'all enjoy this video. Yeah, pero supiste. See, and more horses over there. What's happening? Say hi to the video. What's up? What's happening, bro? we're gonna go around the block, but we saw my friend thought that he saw the dog that he lost, and so yeah. Mira, hermano, ¿dónde tienen el perrito allá adentro? En la jaula. Si no es de ellos. I'm gonna pause the video. I'm gonna make a part 2, so hope you enjoy it.